Building a country that's ruled by law is seen as one of the top priorities for the Chinese government. Strides have been made in legislative work and also in legal supervision. Today in our special series marking 30 years of reform and opening up, Han-Min tells us the story of some of the country's lawmakers and practitioners. Their daily job is to prove the government's commitment.
Liu Hongyu is a senior lawyer. Her client, Zhao Dingjun, has a daughter involved in a dispute with her college. Zhao sued the Ministry of Education and lost the case. But she's come to see Liu Hongyu about appealing.
I hope society gives my daughter a fair chance and lets her feel the confidence to overcome difficulties.
Liu Hongyu says the number of individuals suing the government is on the rise. Her law office has been providing legal aid to hundreds of people. She says this means legal awareness is improving.
If the common people dare to use the law to solve disputes with the government to a degree, they have recognized the fairness of legal work and law. This is a reflection of the improvements in China's legal system.
Legislation is the major task of the National People's Congress, or NPC, and its standing committee. The call for justice is getting louder, and no longer do lawmakers speak with just one voice. Each year has seen new ideas about social justice in the rule of law, public participation in politics, and protecting people's rights. Gu Angran has witnessed all these changes. He is the former chairman of the Commission of Legislative Affairs and the NPC Standing Committee. He says the NPC has made great progress in scientific legislation.
Each law has to undergo several drafts, solicitation of public opinion, and deliberations among the top lawmakers before being passed and enacted.
Gu Angran remembers a crucial meeting 3 decades ago initiated by the late leader Deng Xiaoping. The government returned to the principle that the country should be ruled by law. Now, the NPC is expanding its role to legal supervision. Gu Angran believes China's legal system is good. The weak link is implementation, which gives rise to problems like corruption. This exhibition shows just how seriously the government takes corruption, a major threat to the country's development. The government has been exercising a tougher hand in recent years, but it will take more than punishment to boost public confidence.
China's economy is booming, yet modernization is a work in progress. Still to be dealt with are the gap between the rich and poor, an evolving legal system, and the loopholes in effective supervision. These are the challenges for the reform and opening up for the coming years. With growing public expectations for justice, the pressure is on for lawmakers and lawyers alike. Cases like Zhao Dingjun's remind Liu Hongyu of the battles ahead. Besides being a lawyer, she's also an NPC deputy from Beijing. Liu plans to write a critical suggestion to the Ministry of Education despite little hope of winning an appeal. This is to help other students facing difficulties like Zhao's daughters.
One of the advantages of being a local NPC deputy is that we get a better understanding of people as we come from the grassroots. Though we aren't directly involved in making laws, we can provide quality suggestions.
In her 20 years as a lawyer, Liu Hongyu has experienced and participated in China's legal development. She plans to continue in legal aid and supervision, her contribution to upholding justice. Han-Min, CCTV.